welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Is there something that you do that nobody know that you do these things, but you do it anyway? And something that other people will get uncomfortable with if they know that you do it? Well, guess what? There's something that I tend to do that I wish I didn't do, or I wish I could just stop doing that. And that is to always like stare people in their eyes when they're talking to me. But I'm not staring you in the eyes because I am trying to, get the communication going and trying to look like I'm so into what you're saying to me. Why I tend to do this is because most of the time I'm actually staring at your eyes. I'm looking to see if you have wrinkles around your eyes. I'm looking to see if you have dark circles. And I'm just weighing the pros and the cons and like, oh my goodness, those eye bags are there also. And you would be there busy talking to me, and that's all that is in my head. You have wrinkles, you have eye bags, the dark circles, you could do something to that. Cover it with some makeup or something. Very, very bad habit that I have. Really, really a bad habit, which I need to stop, but it's very difficult, especially if you're into skincare like I am. Anyway, guys, today I'm going to share with you a wonderful remedies, and for all you out there, especially if you want to have a face-to-face conversation with me, you need to try this remedy. This remedy is going to get rid of dark under eye circles. It's going to get rid of the fine lines and wrinkles, and it's also going to help with puffy eyes and eye bags. So if you're interested, if you're looking to get rid of dark circles and all of that I just mentioned, this video is for you. So come with me in the kitchen and I'll show you how to whip this up in no time. Now for this recipe, you're going to need a bowl, you're going to need a strainer, and you're also going to need a blender. Now guys, here I have potato, and potato is used widely all across the nation to help to get rid of dark spots on the skin, especially dark under eyes circles. You can use the potato in so many ways to fight this skin condition. Now the potato not only get rid of dark under eye circles, but when it is cold it also helps to get rid of eye bags and puffy eyelids. So today I'm going to be using the potato with some other ingredients to combat the dark under eye circles, the eye bags, and the puffy eyes. Now I'm only going to use a half of the potato, so I'm going to cut the potato in 2 halves and take a look. This is what fresh cut potato looks like, and I'm just going to peel. Now potato has a wonderful ingredient in it, guys, that just help to clear the skin of spots and blemishes. And a lot of people are skeptical when it comes on to the potato, but the honest truth is, just give the potato a try and you're going to be blown away. You just have to use it on a regular. You cannot use it one time to get the full benefit. So use it on a regular to clear the skin. You can actually just cut this potato right now and take a piece and rub it under your eyes and leave it on it for a couple and do this every day. And it's going to help to clear up the dark under eye circles. I just like to mix it with other ingredients to make it much stronger. So now that we have the potato ready, I'm going to chop it since I'm going to be blending. Now if you do not have a blender, not to worry. Just grate your potato, alright? So just chop. And now, this is ready for blending. I'm going to blend. Do not add any water. Just blend as is. Now here is our blended potato. And what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to strain directly into my bowl. Now the potato tend to get very dark really, really fast. However, not to worry. If your potato turn dark on you, it is just good to use just the same. It's just the hair that hits the potato that causes it to be dark. So don't worry if it's turned dark. Just use it up in 7 days. And this is it. This is our blended potato juice. And now I'm going to put this aside and show you the other ingredient, which is baking soda. And a lot of people are a little mindful of the baking soda. However, it is a very effective remedy in helping to get rid of the dark under eye circles, but more so the puffy eyes and the eye bags. So remember, baking soda is baking soda, not baking powder. It is called baking soda or sodium bicarbonate. Now guys, I'm going to pull out another controversial ingredient to use on the skin, but I've been using this for years and I have found it to be very effective, especially when I mix it with the ingredients that I'm going to mix it with today. And this is none other than petroleum jelly, which most people know as just pure Vaseline. So I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, which is a 15 ml. And next, I'm going to reach for my petroleum jelly, also known as Vaseline. I'm going to use about a tablespoon of Vaseline. I'm going to scoop this in the baking soda. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to mix the two together. It's going to take a while, but just be patient with it. Just work it in. Just blend well. What's going to happen is that the petroleum jelly is just going to soak up all of the baking soda. So just keep stirring it in. As I said, it's going to take a while. Be patient with it. Do not add any water to this right now. So just keep blending the two together. And if you don't want to use the potato, you could go ahead and just use the baking soda and the petroleum jelly on your skin. It's amazing just the same. So just blend it out. And as you can see, it's getting really, really creamy. And this is exactly how we want it to be. And take a look. This is what the petroleum jelly and the baking soda look like once it is totally warm. Nice and fluffy. Now we're going to put this aside and we're going to work on the potato. Now guys, I'm not going to be using the potato juice. All I'm going to use from this is the potato starch. So I'm just going to slowly pour the top of the potato juice off. And if you know, potato do contain starch and like a lot of starch. So you slowly pour the top off. And if you're looking carefully, you can see what I have left at the bottom. Take out all of the juice. And this is good. And let me show this to you. Let me pour off a little more. Oops, don't waste my starch. And this is good. Look at this, guys. This is pure potato starch right here. You see what that look like? And that is what we're going to use in our mixture. So I'm going to dip in. And I'm trying to get at least a teaspoon of the potato starch. Pour that in. And when you use the potato starch, it's not going to be like liquid. It's going to be like real starch because it is starch. And there I get out all my potato starch. Give and take a little left over. And now guys, I am going to work this potato starch in our petroleum jelly and baking soda. And this is going to blend in nicely. Now you don't have to worry that you're adding water to this because the starch don't have the water like that. It's just like very absorbent. It's going to just come out nice and fluffy like I'm showing here. This is amazing. Wow. And look at that. Here we have our dark under eyes circle cream. This is going to get rid of eye bags, puffy eyes, and even wrinkles under the eyes. All right, so amazing, guys. Let me show you what this looks like on my skin when I'm blending it out. See what it's going to look like? All right, so I'm going to go on the other side and I'm going to show you how to use this under your eyes for best results. Now here it is, and there's 2 ways of using this. You can use it as an overnight cream or you can use it as a mask. Now, to use it as an overnight cream, you take a little on your fingers like this, not a lot, and you just apply it under your eyes. And you do the same under the other eyes. So you just dab it under your eyes and the side right here. Don't forget. And you can also put this above your eyes. All right. And you're going to leave it there overnight for best result. Up on the horizon in the mornings, you just rinse, you clean the areas of the eyes, and then you apply your favorite eye serum or your eye cream. Now, to use it as a mask under your eyes, now is the time that you're going to be generous with this. Let me get my mirror so that I could see what I'm doing. So you're just going to put a thick layer like I'm showing here under your eyes. Dab it under as close as possible. And also at the side right here, like that. And you do it for both. Just dab it under. And once you apply it, you're going to walk around with it under your eyes for a few minutes or so. Over 30 minutes is good. And then you're going to use a tissue paper and just tissue off the excess. After you tissue the excess off, then you're going to rinse off with cold water, pat dry, and apply your favorite eye serum or your eye cream. Now, after a week, the dark under eye circles should be fading if you have severe dark under eye circles. If you have just a little minor dark under eye circles, after 1 or 2 uses, it will be gone. However, when it comes to puffy eyes, if you use this overnight upon arising in the morning, the puffiness is going to be gone, or you could barely see what is left. Now, continue to use this remedy until your dark circle fades and your puffy eyes and your wrinkles totally diminish or totally disappear. Okay, so there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share the video, and leave your comments. And if this was the first time watching, I'm sure you want to see more of these videos. So look below, you're going to see the word subscribe. Click on it and you will be subscribed. Also at the side, there's a little bell. If you click on that, you'll get a notification. Oh, you won't get a notification unless you turn on the notification in your phone. So click on the bell, turn it on your phone, notification from YouTube, and you will get a notification as soon as I upload a video. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video.